Today, we're going to see how we can elevate users' privileges temporarily for your macOS and Windows devices. So, just head to the OneIdP section, come to Just-in-Time Admin, and move to JIT Admin Configurations. Click on Create Configuration. You will see three sections for which you can configure the settings like this. Duration for admin privilege can be from 5 minutes to up to 60 minutes in this section, which can be elevated later in the elevation scope. You can allow up to 10 requests per day. Then you can enforce a justification text for any time they request for admin access. You can enforce active internet connection as well. You can then choose whether to allow the user to sign in via the admin credentials that are saved locally on the device if they know the admin credentials. You can also block this so that the only way they sign in is when they give request justification text. You can also block this so that anytime they sign in, they use the JIT admin configuration and you get the justification text. You can also configure a disclaimer note for your users. Moving on to logs and activities. Here, you can configure the policies for the logs. So you can monitor admin access and collect logs. Enable this option to collect the logs of operations, right? And here you can terminate the applications on downgrade. This is only for macOS devices. For the elevation scope, you have the option to configure the scope for the admin access. Now this can be which accounts can ask for admin access. So this can be all non-admin accounts, or you can select specific accounts on the device or the local usernames for all your devices. Ideally, we would keep it at all non-admin accounts. Then we have the option to select applications that can be run as administrator. So all allowed applications, all applications, or specific applications can be added to this list, and the admin access will only be granted for those applications. Once you've done that, you can click on Save Configuration after you fill in the name. And then, just as we publish the keycard, we can publish the admin configuration on any of the profiles.